Dave Hall here, Restore Muscle Car, Lincoln, Nebraska. We have 3 cars going to the Barrett Jackson auction in Scottsdale the week of the 13th. We have these 2 cars that are going to go through on Tuesday, which is the 14th, and then the red 73 actually goes through on Saturday that following weekend. But the black 76, it's got 60,000 original miles. It's had 1 repaint. This car is super detailed. We put some really nice 17-inch gold wheels on it, honeycomb. The car runs and drives out great. This is a 87 Mustang. It's got 18,000 original miles, California car. Came from one family out of California, obviously convertible. It's a super nice run and driving car. And then we have this red 73. This is a frame-off restored 73. It's air conditioning, 455, automatic. It's got all the bells and whistles. This car goes through on Saturday. So check us out online. You can get all the details and watch live on BarrettJackson.com.